In this video, I will guide you through how to turn on parental control in Google account. By turning on parental control, you can keep kids safe online, manage screen time, and help to build a healthy digital habit. To turn on the parental control, first open Play Store and go to this profile icon at the top right corner. Now tap on Settings. Now click on Family option. From this drop-down menu, select Parental Controls. Now turn on this. Now set up a new pin here. Retype the pin and then click OK. Now don't touch anywhere, just clear all the apps from background including Play Store. Then again open Play Store and go to this parental control setting. Here, as you can see, the parental control setting has turned on successfully. Now you can control everything from here. Just remember the pin. And that's how you can turn on parental controls. If this video helped you out, consider liking and subscribing the channel. Thank you.